Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a local project in Juniper's Uinta. So last week I showed you how to create a cloud project that can be accessed across any device with the username and password that you create. In this case, the local one is only available on my device unless I export the project and get someone else to import it on their device. And what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to click on the plus bottom in the bottom right corner. That's going to bring up my project type selection. I'm going to want to click on local, and then on my project setup here, what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to add my information for my projects. That includes a name. In this case, I'm just going to call it the aptly named local project. I'm going to create my project based on a template. And in this case, you can see that it's selecting the basic template. I can choose whatever I want by clicking these drop downs. I can choose ones that I've created or from some of the sample ones here. Let's go with water utilities. Then you can see I have a color and icon that I can also change. In my case, I'm just going to leave this as a blue check mark and then a blue little raindrop, as it is a water utilities project. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the check mark, and that is going to initialize my database. It's going to initialize my project, and I can now select my GPS location source and begin my project from there. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you create a local project in Juniper's Uinta software. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.